Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the second weekly challenge prompt, that word being vintage. Since it's my birthday month, does that mean I'm reaching closer to being vintage myself? Well, let's get into this painting before I wither away. So when I saw the word vintage for this piece, I knew that I had to make a painting on this really cool Renaissance ball mask that I have. It's really cool and really vintage looking, so I thought it would be perfect for this piece as the subject. And like with the other paintings, I added a white base coat to really get a solid background so that I could get the reds and the blues to be very rich in this piece. But I'm going to be quiet, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this last bit of the painting, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word vintage. I think this turned out pretty good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. As well, if you like my stuff, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!